Welcome everybody to another episode of the Unbox Minute. Today we're going to be looking at this media-friendly K400 Plus TV keyboard from Logitech. Included is a wireless USB dongle. It comes with a touchpad to give you mouse functionality while sitting at the comfort of your couch. Looking at the rear of the box, there is some information on the battery life, multimedia keys, wireless connectivity, etc. So let's open up the box and take a look at what's inside. First off, we have the keyboard, but let's put that away and take a look at the kit. Looking at the documentation, first off is a setup guide, so this is quite basic and simple. And next up is a warranty and safety booklet. Next up, the USB dongle, which enables the wireless connectivity. Looking at the keyboard, first off, the on and off button, which is on top on the side, and then looking at the front face. At the top left, you can see a yellow button, which is a left click, the primary mouse click. At the right top, you have the multimedia controls, and just below that, a touchpad with the usual clicks very similar to a laptop. The keyboard is very light. Flipping it over, you can see the compartment for the batteries. Now this houses two AA batteries. At the four corners are rubber feet to make sure that it sticks or grips a table, just in case you're placing it, let's say, on a living room table. Hit pause now for the quick spec sheet, and do get subscribed for the full detailed deep dive review of this device. Hope you're enjoying our content. Don't forget to like and share, and see you in the next one.